Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. We will learn how to switch your operator in Warframe. The operator is your Tenno form, which allows you to use special abilities and enter the void during missions. To switch to operator, you must first complete the quest called the War Within, as this ability is locked until the quest is finished. If you are new to the game, you won't see the quest right away, so you'll need to level up to access it. Once the quest is complete, you can switch between your Warframe and Operator during missions. To do this, press the RB button on your controller, or the corresponding key on your keyboard, which is 5. When you switch, you'll see a short animation as your Warframe transitions into your operator form. You can switch back to your Warframe the same way using the same button. This feature can be used during missions to quickly move between your Warframe and operator, allowing you to use void abilities and escape danger when needed. And that's it. You've learned how to unlock and switch to operator by completing the War Within quest, and how to toggle between your Warframe and operator during missions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.